Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you download Adobe Premiere. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store, and after opening Microsoft Store, search here Adobe Premiere. So here you can see Adobe Premiere Elements is showing. Now click on it. Now click on Install. So this will take a few seconds to download according to your internet speed. So after downloading it, this will automatically get installed on your computer. So here you can see this is launching. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So this is showing the login screen. So you can create your account or you can sign in with your existing account. So after signing in, this is showing as continue. Now click on it. Now you can choose your preferred language. So this is installing. This will take a few minutes to install. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.